Hi there, welcome back to Gen Z Marketing. Today's topic is an interesting one. I asked GPT-4 whether it can replace the job of SEOs or not. ChatGPT responded saying it cannot fully replace a highly skilled SEO expert. Let's check out what GPT-4 had to say about this. While GPT-4 is an impressive language model that can automate many tasks, it cannot fully replace the job of a highly skilled SEO expert. SEO requires a lot more than just content creation and optimization, and it involves a deep understanding of search engine algorithms, target audience, and data analysis. So if you're an SEO expert, you don't have to worry about your job being taken over by GPT-4 anytime soon. So it's safe to say that SEO experts are on the safer side.